they have the Canadian.
You know McDonald's Baconator?
Okay.
You know the
Can I get
McDonald's Mama Burger?
burger?
Okay.
The Mama Burger.
All right.
The
Here it
manga
is.
burger.
All right. So
The mega burger.
okay. So here's
The
what we got so
Magnum
far.
I can't
Burger.
tell what these are. I can't tell what they are by looking at them.
I can.
I need the name.
Chicken
Damn
McNuggets.
it.
Where do we put the chicken McNuggets on this scale?
I'd say that goes B tier.
Has
They're
anyone
good.
here,
I
has
lo- I
anyone
love
here
my-
memorized the McDonald's menu?
I love the chicken
Okay.
McNuggets.
Chicken nuggets are like A or B tier. I'm not gonna lie. Love myself a chicken McNugget. Not my favorite thing on the menu. But
Yeah.
you know, get some like sweet and sour sauce. You know, dip it in.
They're kind of
Why,
average.
why settle for sweet and sour
I see
sauce
these.
when you can
I
get
see these.
Szechuan sauce?
Reliable pick. I'd say there's a solid mid tier.
I say D or
Which
C.
one?
What about
No,
B
it deserves B tier.
tier?
I will
Yeah.
fight you on this. I will come to your house.
Yeah.
I will
Sorry,
come
this-
to both Alex and Darian's house simultaneously and beat them up.
Is the chicken nuggets? Is it chicken nuggets?
Chicken nuggets
Yeah.
are B tier.
C.
Oh, B.
No,
we already
it's
did
B.
B, it's B.
It's B
You ever
tier.
just get on a hard day of work and you ever go to
Let's
McDonald's
mute
and just get
Darian.
dogs? Like,
No.
Because it's McDonald's.
Also,
and
you don't
also,
work
you
I
ain't,
think,
you
I
ain't
think your nugget
living.
experience depends on the sauce you order too. Like chicken nuggets and honey is good stuff. Like, you know what I mean?
It doesn't even
pretty
depend
fine
on
on
the
their
sauce.
own,
Chicken
but
McNuggets are just fucking great.
Yeah, I could
Yeah.
really go for some chicken
Like
McNuggets
they're
from
fine.
McDonald's.
They're not amazing.
I'm
They're
going
just
to
regular-
McDonald's right now to order the McNugget.
Okay. All right.
You know what I think? I think Burger King actually looks better than McDonald's.
Okay.
Cramp. Oh,
All right.
fuck, cramp. Oh, God. Oh, no. Oh,
That's-
jeez.
that's-
Okay.
Cringe.
Okay. So the sausage
I'm literally cringing.
breakfast. What about the breakfast McWrap? How do we feel about this? I think it's a solid A tier. It's good stuff.
I hate rap.
I've never tried it.
You're
This
the
isn't
best.
about music, man.
Terrible.
Wait. Wait. What are we ranking the
I love
breakfast?
McDonald's.
What are we ranking the breakfast McWrap?
I've never had it.
Me, I've never
I
had it
hate
either.
wraps.
I'd say it's a
I'll
solid
put
A.
everything at C.
You know what?
Yeah, like C, D.
Actually, there's one thing missing on the bottom there, actually, Josh.
What?
I don't see Ronald McDonald's juicy fucking penis.
Isaac, you know I'm gonna have to censor
Why
that
not?
out,
You
right?
tried ordering that?
I mean,
No.
I've tried. I've been kicked out of
No.
several McDonald's, but I've tried.
You don't
Okay.
have to swear that.
All right.
You guys
It's
remember?
not a swear word.
Like there'd be the benches inside of a McDonald's, and there'd be like a Ronald McDonald sitting there, and you could like take a picture sitting next to him. Was that a thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was a
Because it
thing.
was. I don't know if
I don't know
Very
what he's talking
scary.
about.
Well, I'm just gonna say Ronald McDonald's penis is S tier.
Okay.
Nice.
All right, fine, Isaac. You can say. Okay.
Nice.
What? How do we feel about this?
Oh, there's two
About this
Darian.
bagel? About this bagel and egger, bacon and egger. I don't know what this one's called.
She's cute.
Have any of you guys had this thing
Bagel
I
before?
would eat it.
You might want to watch how you say that, Josh.
Wait, what?
Oh
Hey,
Who's had this
no! Josh almost said good gamer.
Bacon nigger.
bagel and egger?
yum.
This I don't know.
Bagel.
This bagel sandwich.
Bagel.
Where would you rank this one? I haven't had it before, but has anyone else had it?
Yes.
It looks good.
Alex,
See?
get the Obama hat.
It's
I've
pretty.
never actually had it, but I'd like it. I'd probably
I
like
would
it.
like to eat it, yeah.
C tier?
Actually, you know what? It kind of looks like Tim Hortons food. D.
It does.
D tier?
Tim Hortons is-
Yeah, Tim Hortons field. Tim Hortons field. Tim Hortons food isn't that good. Not gonna lie.
Tim Hortons food is like,
I like
oh,
their
well, there's
donuts,
like
though.
nowhere else to go.
Donut and coffee. That's pretty much
There
it.
is
And,
nowhere
like,
else.
drink.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
There is no relish.
What is
Okay.
that? That looks like a dog.
It's the McDonald's.
That's what
apple
it is,
pie.
you
it's the
idiots.
McDonald's apple pie. How do we feel about apple
It's the
pie?
McDog.
I love it. I
Apple
love it.
Doggles.
I think this is A
Apple
tier.
I've
pie?
never had the
Apple pie. McDonald's
What pie?
S tier.
Apple pie's S.
Why is it pretty
I can't
okay?
argue with you. McDonald's apple pie is good.
I've never
Especially
had their
when you
pie,
crush
but
it up
apple
and
pie
put
in
it in a
general is
McFlurry.
Yeah, like-
here, so.
At least A. It's pretty good.
Yeah,
I could
S.
eat it any day. The crispiness, the amount of apples inside, the sauce.
The flavor,
My
texture.
My favorite part is when they add apples to the
color,
apple pie. I almost said applesauce.
Okay,
Apple's
is this?
apple.
Big Mac.
Is that a Big Mac?
Apple.
It's a Big Mac. Yes, that is a
Hey,
Big Mac.
they may have apples, but they don't have bees at McDonald's.
Yeah, but
McB.
Guys,
Big Mac?
Big Mac. Where were you putting the Big
Mac.
Mac?
It's pretty good, but I like it with one patty.
I prefer Little Macs, actually.
I actually prefer Little Macs.
Yeah,
I don't
we
even-
prefer Little Mac. Yeah, have fun recovering, idiot.
I think the
Well,
Big
I mean,
Mac,
how are you gonna recover as Big Mac though?
guys.
You were on
I like
Air
it.
Fighter, Big Mac.
Guys, let's stop. Let's put
Sorry.
gaming aside. Gaming
Um,
aside.
You know,
Does-
I've actually never had. I never had a Big Mac.
Big Macs are-
I didn't like the. I've only had it like once, and I didn't like it.
Probably too big for me.
That's what she said.
Yeah, it is. It's
Big
too
Mac
big
is
for me.
too dummy thick.
It's too big. It's too big. So
Exactly.
It's too big,
Like,
but for people who
just
can't
looking
eat
at it right now, there's no way I
Too
could
big, right?
stretch my mouth that tall.
yeah,
I just don't have the ability to do that.
yeah, I think this is a solid B tier item.
There's
C,
the Mac.
B tier item. Big Macs are solid B in my opinion, because the burger itself is not bad.
Okay. For big.
The
But
longest Mac.
yeah,
Anyone else say B?
I say A, but I'm
I'd say either B or C. Not too fan of the Big Mac the last time I tried it, which to be fair was like years ago. So what do you
yeah.
know?
Also, Isaac,
Alex,
I
you
think
being real quiet.
it's because Alex doesn't really. Alex is
Every
not.
time I
big.
go to McDonald's, I get a breakfast sandwich. It's the only thing I have an opinion about.
Okay, how do we feel
You
about
share your
this?
Mick opinion on McDonald McFood.
Okay, how do we feel about this chicken sandwich? What's this one called again? You guys know? I'm
Give it
not-
an E.
the
The
Asiago.
chicken what?
Never had
Is this
it.
an
The
A?
chicken what now? I couldn't hear you.
Okay, Josh, I'm not sure if this is gonna get picked up by the recording or not, but your audio is like skipping really bad.
Yeah, I hear it too.
Oh,
yeah, and you're like your screen's frozen.
it's working on mine. It's working on mine
Chicken
because.
is so good.
But
I don't like chicken burgers.
Oh,
Oh, so
okay.
that
guys-
means it's good for everyone.
So-
Whoopie skippity doo dah skippity day. My
gonna-
oh my, it's a beautiful day.
So where would we rank this?
Plenty of sunshine heading my way.
I say that looks good. So like C, just because I've never had it,
What do
but it
we-
looks good.
What's the what are we
Chicken
even
burger.
doing?
It's a
Chicken
chicken,
burger,
burger.
like junior chicken or McChicken?
It's like an
don't
it's like
know.
this weird Asiago chicken.
Because I've had both, and both are like, oh, because like McChicken and junior chickens, they are A tier in my opinion. I always get them. I get it with lettuce and pickle, no sauce. I'm weird, I know.
Okay,
Weird.
That's not weird.
breakfast snack crab.
That's literally
What
not
is this?
weird.
Breakfast snack crab. Where would we
Whoa,
rank this?
you're literally not weird.
Breakfast snack wrap.
Snack
I've never
wrap.
had the breakfast wraps.
There.
I only get the things I like from McDonald's. I don't usually experiment.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, me
honestly,
too.
in my opinion, these are
Wait,
like
is
a
it
solid
McDonald's?
B or C. They're solid B or C in my opinion. Just because like
Has anyone? Has
just because
anyone
they
had
have
this?
their ups and downs, in my opinion. Like there are times where I enjoy it and there are times where I'm like, ugh, kind of gross. Yeah, so C tier for that.
Aria.
Okay,
Aria,
funny. Come here.
chicken.
it's me,
I feel
Aria.
like there are some things that are like inconsistent between McDonald's.
Yeah.
Chicken?
The chicken McBurger.
What about this chicken McWrap?
James Burger.
The chicken McWrap itself is a solid B in my opinion.
Oh, that one's
Chicken
good.
crab?
B.
Is that the
It
spicy one?
exists.
It's the normal one. I think it's a solid B. It's
B for burger.
Or maybe I should put it up with A,
Rap,
just because it's
Rap, rap.
just because
Is somebody scatting?
yeah. I'm putting it in A unless does anyone else disagree?
No, it's not me.
Not A?
Yeah.
B? Alright. Okay, fine.
I thought we said B.
Rapping tap tap doop deep tap.
Don't
Okay.
need to stop rapping. E.
Okay, it's B
It wasn't
now.
me.
Breakfast.
We're trying to make a tier list, and you guys are pooping my ears.
You ready?
We're trying to have a
D tier?
I'm just
You're
gonna
putting
creep.
this in D?
Johnny Pumpkin Hill gotta find my lost piece. I know that
Isaac.
it's here. I can tell you
Isaac,
what
shut
to
up.
I'm asking that room.
Where was the other
allows me to feel. I don't know. It's around somewhere.
I'm muted.
Is this the McGriddle?
It's B. B. Yeah, there
Funny.
you go.
Is this the
Yeah.
McGriddle?
No,
Okay,
this
I
is-
think
S
This is-
tier. S tier. You can't
S.
get it at 1 a.m. That's its only fault. But
that's not
Yeah.
his fault. Isn't it McGriddle with the
No,
pancakes?
this isn't the McGriddle. This is
Yeah.
That's just
Oh,
pancake,
I think this is
sausage,
the
sausage.
breakfast
Oh,
sandwich.
wait, this is the sausage egg McMuffin. S.
It's the
S.
McMuffin.
Oh,
S. S.
I tell you,
Thank you.
Sausage
It's
egg
A.
McMuffin is
It's
S.
A. I'm not
Absolutely.
too
It's
fond of the
the
bun.
only thing I ever get. It's the
Sausage
best.
egg McMuffin is an undeniable S.
Honestly,
I completely
I'm not.
agree.
Like, listen,
You
I'm not
speak-
lying with you. I'm not a fan of the bun. Everything else is fine. I'm not a huge fan of the bun.
Like the
A
bun
little
is-
bit too
is-
crunchy, in my
like,
opinion.
I like
But
it.
the bun
Like, it's an
forgives you.
acquired thing. It's like dry and crumbly, but like it's good, you know?
What's that?
I listen. I don't hate it. I just think it's a little too dry and crumbly in my personal opinion. It's still very
Filet-O-Fish.
The sausages they have, ooh, gets me right in the heart. I will marry a sausage if I have to.
What is that?
Relatable.
It's a filet-o-fish.
What am I looking at?
You're looking at a filet-o-fish.
Disgusting.
I
Ew.
want
Filet of
There's
fish?
no fish in McDonald land.
Terrible.
Ronald killed them all.
Remove.
I've
F
actually
tier?
never tried it.
to me neither, but I kind of want to.
So
I
are
don't
we-
know.
kinda like
I would say B.
Brayden, have you tried the filet of fish?
D?
No.
I'm just gonna put this in D tier. Are you putting the filet-o-fish in D tier? Is this how
Yo,
we're
that's
doing it?
literally the first thing you said in like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Braden, hey guys, I'm Braden.
Just put somewhere low. E?
Yeah, like
C?
yeah.
D?
Sure, it's not
I'm
that bad.
sick.
All right. McDonald's fries. We already know some people's opinions on
Get off! Get out of there, you freaking
God.
goober.
F.
You
F
freaking
tier.
moron.
They're pretty good.
E tier.
There's no such thing as breakfast. You've
They
been lied
gotta
to.
be at the top half
Somewhere in the
tier.
middle. If you eat them too much, you puke.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. Are we just gonna put?
But they're still good.
Are we putting the McDonald's fries in E tier? Anyone else disagree?
What? What?
What are you talking about?
What?
Are you?
What?
You
Why
guys
is
got something? You know, you have something in here?
Absolutely
You okay there?
French
No,
fries
you
are
put
the
those in like
big
B
thing.
at
Respect.
least. I
Food items are
love
good.
McDonald's French fry.
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm pretty sure like Braden had a
They're
hot
They're
take on it about
salty.
how McDonald's French fries are
They're
gross.
sweet.
They're gross, right, Braden?
A.
They're a little
The thing
bit
about McDonald's French fries
I
is they're
still love
good.
the salt.
McDonald's French fries are good. It's just that if you don't eat them right away, they become disgusting.
That's right.
So B
Oh, yeah.
tier.
Yeah.
Fast.
But that's what you're
Yeah.
signing up for. You know?
I'm also like a tad too salty. Where it feels
Yeah.
like
That's
you
why-
might
that's
die of
why
a
the
cardiac
secret-
arrest if
the
I don't
secret to
like how it's
McDonald's
like
French
this,
fries.
this is probably
That's why
only a
you
me
eat it.
thing, but like the salt gets stuck in my nails when I eat it.
Yeah.
the thing
that-
about McDonald's French
You know
fries,
what,
if you want
Darian?
actual good ones,
Me too.
Like your nails, Darian.
if you want actual good
know what?
McDonald's
I'll
French
get
fries,
stuck
you
in
need
your
to
nails
order
if
them
you aren't
without
careful.
salt because then they have to make a new batch.
You said that last time because then they made them fresh and then you have to add the salt yourself. But what if I don't want to add the salt myself? What if I just want to get fries made fast?
Well, then you
Eat it.
just fries. But then you get bad fries.
Always tastes good.
Okay, where are we now?
I've
Where are we
peed.
now? Is this is the?
I don't know.
I think it's
What
the
is that?
cheeseburger. Cheeseburger. The McDonald's cheeseburger.
I don't like cheese at all.
I
Like
like
cheese.
A. I think it's A. Good. A.
A tier.
Cheese.
great.
B.
It's a solid A. Yeah.
No, A.
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 I don't like cheese. I will not cheese.
cheeseburger or
C. I
double
hate cheese.
cheeseburger?
Cheese will be a cheese is an F tier. Frick cheese in general.
So
Double
we all
cheeseburger's
agree.
real good.
We all agree except
Yeah, but we're
Isaac
not
that
done.
I don't like cheese.
that
They're
the
both good.
that the that the
What is that,
cheeseburger is
hash
an A tier.
browns?
Yeah. Now we have hash browns.
Oh,
Where are
I
we putting
love
them?
McDonald's hash brown.
Yeah,
A
those are
tier.
great.
McDonald's
S.
hash brown.
S. S.
Okay, listen. In the Isaaco family lineage, there's me, my wife McDonald's sausage, and my kid McDonald hash brown.
Oh.
McDonald hash brown Arthur Thompson.
Yeah. So are we gonna keep the hash brown at S tiers? Do we all agree that this is an S tier worth item?
What about the middle name?
Okay.
The
So
middle name's
Or make
Alexander, right?
here.
guys,
as good as
you can
My
choose
middle
one.
name?
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's the hash browns.
No,
at S.
Yeah.
no, it isn't.
Oh, sorry.
What?
I don't remember whose middle name is Alexander. I don't remember.
Mine.
Alex.
Oh.
Alexander Kid.
Alexander Kid.
Alex Kid.
Alex Kid. Alex Kid.
Mario.
Okay, Ice Cream Sundae. How do we feel about Ice Cream Sundae? The Ice Cream Sundae.
Huh?
Do we have an opinion on the McDonald's Ice Cream Sundae?
I don't know. I don't really get
Ice
Yummy.
cream. I love McDonald's ice cream. I'll put it in A
It's even
tier.
better if you mix it.
I've never had it.
Yum.
it's A. I'd say B.
B? Alright.
Wait, like which? Are we doing like milkshakes or wait? McDonald's
Yeah,
doesn't have
are the
milkshakes.
milkshakes?
Okay.
Yeah, we're just talking about
They're
the
pretty
the vanilla,
Oh,
the
the milk-
chocolate,
Wait, McDonald's is milkshake?
the sundae. The we're talking about the sundae here.
The
Okay,
vanilla
you're
milk
cutting out.
burger?
Really, really bad. Like, I literally have no idea what you're saying.
What?
Guys,
Me too.
the vanilla milk burger from McDonald's.
Vanilla milk burger?
Yeah.
Okay.
Disgusting.
Best burger of all.
Nice, buddy. Alright. So,
Hotcakes, F. Hotcakes are F. Hotcakes are F. Hotcakes are F.
They're
Hotcakes
yummy.
are
What even
F.
is that?
these
I've
are
never
That's-
tried them, so
McDonald's
what is,
pancakes.
you know, your
Hotcakes.
opinion may as well
They're
be
hotcakes.
gaming.
Hotcakes are like, hotcakes are good, like the first time you try them. Then, like, it progressively goes down on a scale every time you have them until, like, the 20th time you have them, and you just look at them and you're like, I can't eat this. I'm gonna throw
Yeah.
up.
It's
if I
like
smell
it's
this
like
for
when
one
people
more
hang out with me. The first time they're like, "Oh, I guess he's all right." Then as they hang out with me more, they start to hate me more and more, and I start to hate myself more and more.
Okay.
Gaming.
Hotcakes. F. Are we putting the hotcakes in?
Yeah,
F tier?
hotcakes are F. Hotcakes are F.
Anyone else disagree?
Okay.
E tier? E tier or F tier?
I've never had them, so I couldn't disagree if I wanted to.
Eh.
Has anyone else had hotcakes?
I've had hotcakes
I've had
before.
them.
Yeah, they're fine, but I don't really care.
I don't care either.
But
Burger.
Yeah, are we putting them in the F
Hotcakes
tier?
are F.
Eel fish.
Alright, fine.
I mean, if there's eel in the title, it's obviously F.
no.
Okay.
Is it
The
next
junior
song?
chicken,
Bitch.
S tier.
Hotcakes are
Anyone else
F.
disagree with me? The junior chicken is like my favorite.
It's S.
What even is it? Junior chicken?
Oh, McChicken.
Junior chicken S. Straight S. I ain't even lying with you. Straight
Absolute,
S.
The
I'm
chicken
telling
is
you.
it's so
absolute
good. Like
banger.
Oh, not McChicken. It's a junior chicken.
It's the same thing, except they're both on S tier. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I order the junior chicken and McChicken all of the time. It is straight S tier.
Where's S?
What you gonna say?
And the
Fire.
normal is S.
okay, so what do we can we agree that the McChicken
Josh is dead.
what? No, I'm still here. I'm
Alright.
still here,
Somebody
guys.
move the screen for him.
Black-hearted evil,
Guys,
brave-hearted hero.
Isaac,
I am
Isaac!
all I am, all I am.
Isaac, hello. So,
Shut up.
I
McChicken,
stopped talking.
A tier. Is the McChicken an A tier? Do we agree?
Junior.
Junior. Bowser. Junior.
Yo,
Gosh, your screen's frozen too.
wait, what? No.
Oh, there you go.
Oh.
Yeah.
And then once he
Oh, now
said
it's
it,
the double cheeseburger.
Double
S.
cheeseburger is S.
Hello,
Double
McDonald.
cheeseburger
Can I
is
have the
so
Bowser
good.
Jr.?
I will never ever get tired of double cheeseburger.
Yeah, me neither.
S tier?
Yum, yum,
I don't
yum,
like
yum.
cheese.
Yeah.
That's on you.
Yeah, that's on you.
I mean,
No,
the
it's
your
it's
choice.
not my fault. Cheese isn't perfectly tailored to my taste.
Who's Taylor?
Okay.
You know, from Tiz
Lick the
Quest.
ball.
Okay, guys. Tiz Quest is a game that's gonna it's gonna be like I don't know even know what Tiz
What
Quest
is
is. Let's forget about Tiz
I
Quest.
agree.
Hear
It
another
sure
joke,
is.
Murray.
Okay, anyways. Okay, well, how do we Isaac, shut up. Okay. So how do we what's this one again? Is this the Is this the Angus barbecue burger? Can't really tell.
Angus.
Is it Angus?
Burger.
I guess. I ate it before.
Colonel.
It's pretty
I'm
good.
trying to get a
Where would you rank it,
burger
Nina?
at Burger.
Where would you rank it?
Angus.
A?
Burgers are just good.
Are we just gonna put this in
I've
the
actually
A
never
tier?
had this one.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Should we just put this in Mina? Would you say it's an A?
Maybe like a C or a B.
All right, we'll put this in the C tier just because we don't trust it. All right.
Oh.
Okay. The
Oh, wow.
Exactly.
Skittles McFlurry.
It's a paper towel.
Do we like? I think the Skittles McFlurry is a personal
Skittles?
A or B in my opinion.
Wait, there's Skittles in it?
Yeah, wait.
Skittles?
Skittles in it. Wait,
Do you mean
it's-
M&Ms?
No, wait,
M&Ms?
wait, no.
Do you mean
I
M&Ms?
like Skittles.
Skittles.
I
They're-
like Skittles a
Gross.
lot. And I
wait, no,
like
wait, no.
milkshakes.
Smarties.
I would never even
Smarties.
think of
Smarties
mixing those two
M&Ms.
together.
I know.
Smarties.
Yeah,
Smarties.
Exactly.
Sorry, I'm getting my names
Smarties.
mixed up.
Oh, Smarties.
Smarties.
I was
Skittles?
They look the same to me. They're similar to me. They're colorful
Yeah, that would
candies.
be
And they're
better.
colorful
That makes more
candies.
sense.
It's just that one's a chocolate.
Oreo's better. So
D?
D.
that's a zero.
I think that'd be B.
The other way.
Yeah,
Zero.
revert.
Smarties?
I
I
think
like P.
That'd be B.
Put the
You said
Smarties
B?
in the B
What'd you say?
tier. Because
Yeah.
ice cream is good. And the Smarties, I personally
Ice
like
cream.
Smarties. And
Yo.
it's not
I
a
like
bad
the-
combination in my opinion,
Skittles.
in my humble gamer opinion, which is superior to your opinion because it's mine.
Yo. Okay. Moving on to the other
Is the
McFlurry
next one
flavor.
an
Oreo
Oreo?
McFlurry. Are we gonna put this in the B tier? Anyone else with?
Oreo is a straight up A tier.
Yeah, Oreo is
Oh,
S.
yeah.
A tier?
Oreo
It's
is
either
B.
A or F.
I think it's A.
I'm telling you guys. I'm
You
telling
even-
you guys.
My
Anything that is
repping
like
Smarties.
cookies and cream flavored, like remotely cookies and cream flavored,
Is
is
it
And
bad.
Alex
Flame.
POV?
Anything cookies
Yeah,
and
like-
cream flavored is
Where
just
are my
bad.
thoughts?
It
Hold
doesn't
up.
taste good.
Darian.
I will
No,
Darian, that's
piss in your
because you have no
mouth.
sweet.
There we
You have no sweet tooth, Darian. You don't
You'll
get it.
yearn for the taste of cookies and cream.
No,
You're-
like Oreos are good. I will not deny that Oreos
Yes.
are good. But Oreo, like Oreo things that you can get at
It's basically
restaurants,
Oreos
not
in
good.
ice cream. How could you not love
They're
that?
not
Except a
good.
little less.
Yeah, I
crunchy.
It isn't
completely
good.
disagree with you, Darian.
It
Yeah,
isn't good.
it's gonna be a no
Yeah,
from
we
me,
all-
dog.
Yeah.
I'm coming to your house right now
All right.
to
Like how
beat you up and
Darian,
change your
Oreo
opinion.
Blizzard
Who's
is like
beating
the
you
worst
up like
type
they
of
do in
Blizzard you can
anime.
get.
Okay.
Cheap
All right.
television show.
All right.
And
Let's.
like how Oreo ice cream is just bad ice cream.
Honestly, Darian.
Oreo.
You're bad ice cream. How dare you?
The cookie sucks.
It's almost as bad as vanilla ice cream.
What did you say to me? You. What did you say to
Okay.
me, you little bitch? I'll have you know that I was like
Vanilla
Isaac,
ice cream
something,
tastes
something
bad.
Navy SEALs, and I was on numerous raids on Al Qaeda. And you know, whatever. This joke is dumb, and I hate myself.
Yeah, where'd you get it from? 2008? Haha.
Probably.
Whoa. Sick burn.
Stop bringing up my microphone. It's rude. Pop!
Okay.
Poutine
So
is C.
where do we put? Where do
Yeah,
we put
I agree. Like,
F
At
tier?
least I have a functioning camera.
Should we put this in? Should
yeah,
we
like
put this
poutine
in?
is poutine, but it's not very good poutine.
Really terrible at McDonald's.
Poutine, more like P-teen.
Yeah.
Got him.
Are we gonna put
I
this in
don't
the
like cheese, so I don't like poutine.
F
I like
tier?
fries and gravy, though.
Let's see.
All right, we're putting this in F tier
I'd eat it if I have to, but
as
Not-
a poutine connoisseur.
No, not F. Like, it's still
five
poutine,
people
even if it's bad poutine.
and one person said F.
What is this? Non-gamer!
I'd say D.
C.
D.
Okay,
Sure.
D.
Yeah,
D.
D.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this next one a quarter pounder?
Is this the quarter? Where do we rank
D.
the
So
quarter
good.
pounder?
Quarter pounder?
No, E
It's
actually.
alright, I like
No.
it. I'd put it in like
No.
B tier.
Quarter pounders are not good.
S
Quarter
or
pounders
H?
are not good.
Says the one who doesn't like Oreo McFlurry. You're fucked in the head, buddy. And that's your problem.
Well, that's
your
true.
problem,
Quarter
not the
pounders
quarter
just taste
pounder.
weird. I don't know what
No.
they do to it. They just
You know
like
what?
they
You
take it
taste weird.
like somebody decides,
Ooh.
oh, I'm gonna order a quarter pounder, and then they're like, okay, we got to make a quarter pounder, but instead of like doing the stuff they do to other burgers, they just like throw it on the floor or something and stomp on
What?
it, and then
That's the taste I like.
Okay.
What?
But
Did you work at McDonald's and see how it was personally made?
no.
Or
They
did you
cock
freaking
on it
slap your
personally.
blasted cock on the burger and said, here, quarter pounder, nom 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 nom
You know
nom?
what? That'd probably make it taste better.
Fuck,
okay,
you got me.
Where are we putting the quarter pounder?
It's
That's
pretty good.
good, not gonna lie.
I will allow
Maybe like a
no
B?
higher than C. No higher
C?
than
No.
C.
B. It has to be B. It has to be B tier.
Anyone
B for
else?
burger?
No higher than C.
B for bumper.
Are we gonna put C
Banger.
tier?
B for Bob.
I think we've established that Darian's opinions are wrong.
Burger.
Yes.
Okay, so B
Why
tier.
are my opinions wrong?
Cause they're wrong. Cause you don't agree with me.
You. Oh, I can't comment on this. Are we gonna put this in the B tier or? Okay, all right, fine. I'm putting this in
Yeah.
B tier.
B,
Like it or
B.
not.
B, 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 B. Yeah.
All right. You guys.
All right.
I was right.
Okay,
Good
so
food
there was
tastes
the
like.
so the
I
choc-
was right.
So the chocolate.
You know what, Darian? My girlfriend cooks really good food. And you know what? I know what really good food is. Cause she cooks it.
What foods are these?
Why did you turn off my microphone? I wasn't even speaking.
This is the most
Gary
toxic
is so in.
Luna Says podcast ever.
Who's Luna says? This is R7, idiot.
Episode.
Oh man.
Got him.
Okay,
She's
what do
having
we think
technical
about this?
difficulty.
What do we think about the chocolate hard cookies?
Well, guess I'm out of here.
The what?
I've
Is
never
it the
had.
McRib?
Eh,
What is that?
it's a dark chocolate hard cookie that they serve at McDonald's. I think if you buy one, it goes to charity.
Tasty.
Yeah.
Should we put them in B just because it's
Oh, I've
for
never
They're
had
cookies.
one, but I like chocolate and I like
I don't
cookies, so it must be good.
Yeah, and then there's
Sounds
a,
average
yeah.
enough.
Sure.
should we also put this in
Yeah.
B?
It's probably all right. It's like
Like I've never
B
heard
or
of
B
it.
or higher, I'd say.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say B. B's a good tier for it.
All right, McGriddle.
Yeah,
I'd be in B tier.
The McGriddle.
I'll rot in the gutter in the F tier.
Okay.
Is that the McGriddle?
Yes, the
I've never had
McGriddle.
one.
S tier.
The
S
McGriddle.
tier. S
Me
tier.
neither.
S tier.
Hey,
S
listen,
tier.
Oh my
There's nothing
gosh,
wrong with the
McGriddle.
McGriddle. The only thing wrong with it is that you can't order it at 1 a.m. in the morning.
It's that
Can you
good that
make
it has to be in the
another
S
tier just
tier.
for
S tier.
McGriddle? Like,
Can we make it
The Mc-
S tier? Make it S plus.
The
tier.
1 a.m. tier.
Okay. You guys want to make one?
Make an S plus tier, please.
yeah, do it.
The we can't serve this right now tier.
Hold on.
Order
I think
this
I made-
dish to die instantly.
Okay, so to explain the joke we have going on here,
Wait, I have the video. I can just send it to you and Josh. I can just send the video and
One
Josh
day,
can just edit it into the video.
Please,
a
no.
few of us
You
were
don't have to explain
celebrating
it.
Isaac's birthday party.
Spare me.
We decided to go to McDonald's at like 1 in the morning.
McDouble.
I don't know
We
why.
the
Like,
music.
we decided to walk there because we were close, but then we found out that only the drive-thru was open, so we had to walk back and get the car. And then when we came in the drive-thru, none of us were like brave enough to give the order at the drive-thru because we're all a bunch of babies. So then we had to have someone else do it for us, and Alex tried to get a McGriddle, which they did not let him get because they couldn't make one.
Thank you. Good story.
And it was fun.
Okay, but
Yes.
I think I have the video, so I can just send it to Josh, and
Destroy.
and yeah, he can just edit it into the video.
Or I can put it on
Maybe
the
at
second
the end
channel
or
that
something,
we're
or
gonna
in
start.
between.
We can put it in a second channel. So yeah. Yeah.
This is
Why
second
would we?
channel?
Why would we have it be a different
I
video?
don't know.
What would be the
Second
point with uploading it with no context? Why would you do that? Are you a psychopath?
Psychopath. I'm a psychopath.
I am a psychopath. That's why I started the podcast. So anyways, this
Psycho.
one. This McWrap. I think this one goes to C. This one deserves to go to C just because it has cucumbers in it. Or wait, no. That's me being biased. Does anyone
Josh,
does-
are you a psychopath?
I am a psychopath. I'm a psychopath, guys. So where do we rank this one? I definitely think it's the weakest.
Burrito.
I think it's the
Burrito.
weakest among all the McWraps. So
Burrito?
yeah, because there's there's
D.
D. Anyone else? Does anyone else want to defend this one, or are you just gonna put this in the
Burrito.
D? D tier.
Psychopath.
All right.
That's right.
So we're gonna put
Exactly
this
what
in
it
D
sounds
tier.
like.
McDonald's ice
That's
cream.
a bad burrito.
Are we gonna put this in A tier just because of how solid it is, or a B
Ice
tier?
E.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's good
I'd
stuff.
say I don't think it's really anything like too special, but for what it sets out to do, it does its job really good.
All right.
Yeah.
I don't think I've actually ever
Like, it's
had
nothing
McDonald's ice cream,
groundbreaking.
but
But
I think
Okay.
about it.
It's
So-
really good. I used to get it all the time in high school. Me and Darnell would walk to McDonald's after school. I would get ice cream, and I would be
At 1
almost
a.m.
fulfilled
At 1 a.m.
So here is
at 1 a.m. in the afternoon.
Here's our tier list. How do we feel? Do
Nothing.
We
My
did
E
it.
doesn't matter.
Yeah, this is
He is.
E.
I
Empty
made that.
dessert.
That sure is the McDonald's tier list.
Should we just like
I'd say it's fairly accurate, except for the ones that I disagree with.
for a universal
Let's do
opinion,
a
I think this is a
solid
solid. I think
tier
this
list.
is solid. All right. So I'm just gonna
Yeah.
download this
Yeah.
and I'm gonna hang it up like I am gonna do with the fast food tier list. So yeah.